Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 3. I'm joined by Offensive.
Sure, Steve.
Okay, remember?
I get disappointed. Blind.
Why?
We lost this game because of only 4 reasons.
1.
Dr. Ivan Kosa.
Why? Yes. 2.
Safa. 3.
Yes.
Because of Jose Riviere.
Yes.
4. Luxolo Bad.
Man.
Luxolo Bad.
Timango.
Mjita wa refu wa Fanda.
Refu today.
That man every game. Penalty. How is that not a penalty? If you can give penalty, Magesi, why not give a Pirates?
Yes.
Goal. What's wrong with the goal?
But it's offside.
How can you say
Ivan Kosa. We missed.
We rebound. How can you say
How can
you say it's an offside?
It doesn't make sense.
It's a rebound. It's a rebound.
Yes,
It's a rebound.
The rebound, that's offside.
I understand.
Yes.
Ivan Kosa. Why don't you put our top striker?
Yes.
Mr. Tom and Jerry.
Man.
Mr. Tom and Jerry.
Man.
Abongile Tom.
Abongile Tom na nile kamo.
We needed Abongile Tom.
Today.
We needed Abongile Tom. That's our top striker.
Yes.
Ask yourself why Orlando Pirates doesn't have a number 10.
Yes. Why?
It's because that's the number for Abongile Tom.
Oh!
Yeah. We needed Abongile Tom.
Why aren't you guys a phone now?
Abongile Tom was supposed to be substituted second half. Hey! Okay, it's fine.
No, yes, boss. Yes.
We needed Abongile Tom. We are a big team, Steve. We are a big team.
No.
We must win games no matter how. If it's about refs, we must win games about refs. If we are supposed to win games about backroom bribery, we are supposed to win that way. We are a big team. It's like saying I hate DJ Maporisa. How can we hate DJ Maporisa if we love Amapiano? That's the goat of Amapiano. Same way Pirates is the goat of teams in South Africa.
Yes.
We are supposed to win games for fun. We are not supposed even to draw games.
Yes. So no Abongile Tom.
Abongile Tom, our number 10.
Yes.
Our top.
Rivero Laganga Rivero.
Jose Rivero. Okay. Jose Rivero. It's fine. We love you.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
You understand? I understand, there's a rotation in football.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But if you watch South African football,
Yeah.
you must also mix. If you watch football, you must watch football
as a whole.
You understand? Remember that game, Man City versus Aston Villa.
Yeah.
Liverpool is winning against Wolves.
That's right.
Man City ajiwa. Aston Villa, half time. You understand?
Yeah.
He didn't substitute any player. Munapule Saleng was supposed to come back in the second half.
Yes.
But how this is the first half? You need to rectify yourself in the second half. He broke Munapule Saleng.
Spirit.
He broke Munapule Saleng. That guy is the captain. He's a leader of mob justice. He's the leader of mob justice. You understand? If you know about mob justice, you know there's one person Hafika, the question. Same way. But otherwise, we are just watching highlights. Orlando Pirates are the champions of Betway Premiership, Champions League, MTN 8, and Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
This knockout never loved us. We don't care about calling black label. We don't drink black label. I mean, it's not even sweet. We care about serious stuff. We drink Corona, Henneken, Savannah. Who cares about black label? Give this beer cup to Kaizer Chiefs. They are Kufa champions. Give them champions. They must take the double. Man of the match, referee.